Okay, so here we have CH3OH. What's one of our central atoms going to be? Good, it's going to be carbon and then oxygen, right? So we have our carbon, we have our oxygen. We know that they're going to be bonded together. And from the formula, it kind of tells us what else is happening, right? You can kind of see that there's going to be 3 H's attached to the carbon because they're grouped together here, and then the oxygen is going to have 1 H as well. So let's see if that works. All right, that looks good, and then another H up here, so that's cool. Okay, this is going to be AX what? AX4, good, the shape? Good, tetrahedral, and what's the hybridization going to be for this one? All right, that's the angle, I'll take it, 109.5. The hybridization is going to be SP, yeah, SP3. Whenever you have tetrahedral, it's going to be SP3, all right? We also have another central atom, the oxygen. What's its AX pattern? Good, AX2E2, bent angle, 104.5. It's not hybridized, right? So we just leave it as that, all right? Does this look like the final version should look? Yeah, it looks pretty good, right? But I'm gonna do it again just so we can draw. Well, if it's polar, we can figure that out. Okay, so hydrogen is 2.1, carbon is 2.5. If it was just hydrogen and carbon, what would it be? Non-polar, right? Whenever it's just a hydrocarbon, it's going to be non-polar. All right, but here we have oxygen. Oxygen is 3.5. All right, so the electrons are going to go towards that oxygen. You're going to have them all moving that way. You're going to have them moving down in here. So around this oxygen, it's going to be slightly negative. And then around pretty much every other part of it, it's going to be slightly positive here. All right, so you'll end up with something like that. All right, so this would be polar. All right, any questions with that one?